know everyone that makes my tutorials might not have the templates, and I know the UK supplier currently isn't available to buy the wooden version, so I thought I'd quickly show you how to make your own versions, because I need a 4.5 inch because I haven't got that size personally, because that's one of the ones that not many places do the half sizes. So I need a 4.5 inch template. So I've got some card, and this was just the box that some of my products from suppliers came. And all you need to do is the width you want, you do that across, and I'll do it in the black permanent marker so you guys can see. So draw that across. I'm doing roughly 7 inches, but you can do as long as you like, but I sort of do between 10 and 8 minimum, just so you've got space, you know, if you want to do your like pinwheels and things like that. I always use like the edges of the card where I can, because I'm a bit cat-handed personally, and I sort of drift naturally if I'm not paying attention. So like I said, if you've got like straight edges you can use on your boxes, do use them where you can. Okay, so on a 4.5 inch, obviously you've got 2 inches either side and your 1/2 inch in the middle. And then what I've done is I've actually made that 1/2 inch in the middle even smaller. I've taken that down to 1 centimetre, because again, if you're anything like me, the reason I love templates is because my gaps on most of mine are quite narrow. You don't want much bigger than that, because if you do any bigger, stitches can start drifting again. So do try and make them, the centrepiece, make it completely centred, and make sure it's as small as you can get it cut wise without you actually doing it too wide. And like I said, try and do at least 1 centimetre. If you can do smaller than that, do smaller than that, but try and get right in the centre. As you can see, measured it right in the middle of the half centimetre in the middle, and then I've made that even smaller. I'm just going to mark out with the pen where I'm going to cut my stitch guide. As I said, naturally very it's my dyspraxia, makes me drift. That's why I like these. So there you go, there's you've got your template, and you can do this exactly the same for any sizes you want. You just do your width, do down, and like I said, get this right in the centre, and don't do it more than 1 centimetre wide. And then, you have to excuse me, just dropping all my... So once I'm done and I've cut everything out, I also sellotape mine around the edges. As you can see, this is one I've cut out earlier, and all I do is tape my sellotape, do it all the way down the edge, and all you want to do is just tape that round. You don't have to do the inside unless you want to, and what that will do is that will just stop your ribbon catching on the cardboard. And like I said, if you really wanted to, you could laminate them, or you could completely wrap them with the sellotape. Entirely up to you, but very simple, as you can see. Doesn't take too long at all. You can do all the sizes that you need. Realistically, if you're just starting with bows, you would want 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, and your 1/2 inch sizes, and that will fit most bows, most styles, and that will work with 1 inch ribbon all the way up to 3 inch ribbon. Occasionally you'll need a few of the bigger sizes if you're really into 3 inch ribbon bows. You might need 6 and 7 inches, but beyond that, the bigger sizes aren't really necessary. I do believe you can use a 12 inch one to make a really pretty 3 inch boutique style, but like I said, it would be about 9 inches wide, so it depends on how you like yours. And I'd also do this bit, leave at least an inch and a half from the top. And there you go. So simple. my edge. Same the other side, and it's literally taken me a couple of minutes. There you go, and then you are ready to go. You can literally wrap your ribbon around this and do all the styles that you see in my tutorials. There we go, so that would be the beginnings of a simple loop bow. Obviously I'd put them together better, but you get the idea. Thanks for watching everyone, bye!